Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the Galvin Green Albert Waterproof Jacket. A top-notch offering that combines premium performance with a sleek look. If you're in the market for a reliable and stylish waterproof golf jacket, look no further. I've put this jacket to the test, and in this review, I'll share why it's one of the best investments you can make for your golfing gear. A quality waterproof golf jacket is a must-have, especially if you golf in the UK or other wet climates. The Galvin Green Albert is a lined full zip jacket made from 100% waterproof Gore-Tex stretch fabric, ensuring protection from the worst weather conditions without compromising your swing. The Gore-Tex material is not only waterproof but also windproof and lightweight, providing excellent breathability for full freedom of movement during your game. The lightweight mesh lining allows for air circulation, helping you maintain body heat even on cold days. Adjustability is a key feature of the Albert jacket. Velcro adjusters on the sleeves and the back allow you to customize the chest width, making it versatile enough to accommodate different layers underneath. An elasticated drawstring at the hem ensures a perfect fit. This jacket comes in 5 stylish color options to suit your preference. The design is understated, with subtle Galvin green branding on the left sleeve and back. It's a perfect balance of fashion and function. Sizing is standard, and I found it true to size. If you prefer a looser fit for layering, you might consider going up a size. I've worn the Albert in XL with a hoodie or 3x4 zip mid-layer underneath, and it provided an ideal fit. I've tested this jacket on the golf course and in various outdoor activities, from walking the dog to attending football games. It's comfortable, fashionable, and it performs exceptionally well in keeping out wind and rain. Compared to other options like the FootJoy Hydro Tour jacket, the Albert has the edge in versatility. You can wear it comfortably even in a summer shower without feeling sticky or uncomfortable. During a freezing December morning on a Southport Links course, the Albert delivered exactly what I needed. It kept me warm and allowed excellent freedom of movement during swings. In the rain, it proved its worth, keeping me dry without a drop getting through. One of the standout features of the Albert is its packability. You can easily stuff it into your golf bag, and when you take it out, it still looks great without any creases or wrinkles. Galvin Green is known for top-quality golf waterproofs, and the Albert lives up to their reputation. Whether it's winter or summer, you can trust this jacket to perform exceptionally. It's a stylish investment that will serve you well on the golf course and beyond. If you're ready to invest in the Galvin Green Albert waterproof jacket, I highly recommend it. It's 2 thumbs up from me. Thanks for joining us for this review. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest reviews on golf gear and other products. Stay tuned for more exciting content coming your way. See you next time.